children. How are you all? I hope all of you enjoyed your vacation. Welcome to a new section. Then we are going to start the linear equation. Equation reducible to a pair of linear equations. If the given pair of equation is not linear but can be reduced to linear form by making some suitable substitution, then we reduce the pair of equation to a linear form and then solve it. We have already run 1-2 questions of this type. So I am continuing this. Solve this pair of equation 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. Second equation 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. So by looking at this equation, it is not linear, but by doing some substitution, we can make this equation to a linear equation and then we can solve it. So let us take 1 by root x as u and 1 by root y as v. Then equation 1, it will become 2 by root x. 2 by root x means it is 2 into 1 by root x. That is 1 by root x is u, so it is 2u. So 2u plus 3 by root y. 3 into 1 by root y. 1 by root y is v. Therefore, this is plus 3v equal to 2. This is equation 3. Now this equation 2, it becomes 4 by root x. 4 into 1 by root x, that is 4u minus 9 into 1 by root y, that is 9v equal to minus 1. So this is equation 4. So equation 1 has become this equation 3, that is 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. Then equation 2 become 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. So you have learned the cross multiplication method. I am going to use this cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method, so u, v, and this constant term is on the right side, so you have to write down minus 1. So under u, so you hide this u. Next coefficient is 3. 3 minus 9 you write on the left side. Next one is 2 minus 1. Now you hide this v, same clockwise direction. Left side of v is 2 minus 1. Right side is 2, 4. Now hide this. That same left side is 2, 4. Right side is 3 minus 9. So you have to put the arrows like this. U by 3 into minus 1 minus minus 9 into 2 equal to v by 2 into 4 minus minus 1 into 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 into minus 9 minus 4 into 3. This is u by minus 3. Minus 9 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 18. Minus minus will become plus. So it is plus 18. V by 8. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus minus is plus. Plus 2. Minus 1. 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. 4 3s are 12. So it is u by minus 3 plus 18. The minus 3 plus 18 will become 15. So it is u by 15 equals v by 8 plus 2, that is v by 10, minus 1 by minus 18 minus 12 is minus 30. So each one you have to take. This is u by 15 equal to minus 1 by minus 30 is 1 by 30. Then u is equal to this 15 will go to this side. 15 by 30 is 1 by 2. So u is equal to 1 by 2. Here v by 10 equal to 1 by 30. V is equal to 30. 10 by 30 is 1 by 3. So v is equal to 1 by 3. So our equations here we have taken 1 by root x as u. So you replace u by 1 by root x. U is 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2. V we have taken 1 by root y. So 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiplication, root 2 into 1 is root x into 1 is root x. 2 into 1 is 2. So root x is 2. So we want the value of x. Therefore squaring. What is this? Squaring means root x into root x. Root x the whole squared is x. 2 is equal to 2 squared. That is x is equal to 4. Here cross multiplication, root y is equal to 3. Again squaring. Squaring means root y into root y is y is equal to 3 squared is 9. So y is equal to 9. Solution of the equation. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. So x is equal to 4. X is equal to, you can substitute here, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Substitute. What is root x? Root of 4 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. And root 9 is 3. So 3 by 3 is 1. So 2 plus, this is 2 and this is 1 minute. 3 by 3 is 1. So 2, that answer is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So similarly, when you substitute these values here, you get minus 1. Therefore, both these equations are satisfied. Y, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Now the next question number 4. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. This is first and this is second equation. Here also you have to take 1 by x minus 1 and you can take it as u. 1 by y minus 2 you take it as v. Therefore equation 1, it will become, this is 5 into 1 by x minus 1. So it will become 5u plus 1 by y minus 2 is v plus v equal to 2. Then equation 2, 6 into 1 by x minus 1, that is 6u minus 3, 1 by y minus 2 is v equal to 1. This is the third equation and this is the 4x equation. By cross multiplication, whether u v minus 1, u I hide. What is the coefficient of v here? It is plus 1, it is minus 3. So left side 1 minus 3, 2, 1. Now it is v, you hide this v, clockwise direction, 2, 1 on the left side. Right side is 5, 6. Hide this constant minus 1. Then 5, 6 on the left side and 1 minus 3 on the right side. You put the arrows. U by 1 into 1 minus 3 into 2 equal to v by 2 into 6 minus 1 into 5 equals minus 1, 5 into minus 3 minus 6 into 1. So it is u by 1, 3 2s are 6, minus minus will become plus 6, v 12 minus 5 minus 1, 5 into minus 3 minus 15 minus 6. So it is u by 7 equal to v by 12 minus 5 again 7 minus 1 by minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21. So minus 1 by minus 21 is 1 by 21. So equate u by 7 is equal to 1 by 21. U is equal to 7 to the other side. 7 by 21 is 1 by 3. V by 7 equal to 1 by 21. V is equal to 7 by 21 is 1 by 3. Therefore, u is equal to 1 by 3. V is equal to again 1 by 3. But u we have taken as 1 by x minus 1. So replace u by 1 by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiplication. X minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1. 3 into 1 is 3. X is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4. V is 1 by y minus 2 is 1 by 3. Cross multiplication. Y minus 2 into 1 is 3. Y is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. Therefore, solution of the equation x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Substitute and see. This is 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1 is 3. That is 5 by 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 6 by 3 is 2. Similarly, you substitute here, that also LHS will be equal to RHS. That means both this value x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 is satisfying both the equation. Therefore, our solution is right. So, next question. 7x minus 2y the whole by xy is equal to 5. 8x plus 7 by y xy is equal to 15. First equation is second equation. Here you can do one thing, you can even cross multiply, then 7x minus 2y is equal to 5xy, and then you can divide throughout the equation by x by y, or you can do each one. 7x by xy minus 2y by xy equal to 5. Here it will become 8x by xy plus 7 by y xy is equal to 15. Here you know this x and x cancel. So you are getting 7 by y. This y and y cancel. Minus 2 by x equal to 5. This is equation 3. Here this x and x cancel. 8 by y. Y and y cancel, plus 7 by x is equal to 15. This is the fourth equation. So therefore you can say 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. That is the third one. 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. This is the fourth equation. All of you know how to solve this. You have to take here 1 by y. Instead of, you can take either as u, or you can take 1 by y as capital A, 1 by x as capital B. Then what is this equation 3 becomes 8 by y, it is 7 by y, that is 7a minus 2 by x, 1 by x is b, minus 2b equal to 5. Then equation 4, 8 by y, 8a plus 7y is equal to 15. Now you have to solve this. A, this is B, sorry. A, B and minus 1. Hide this. Coefficient of B is minus 2, 7. This side it is 5, 15. Hide B. 5, 15 on the left side. 7, 8 on the right side. Then minus 1. Hide this. 7, 8 on the left side. Minus 2, 7. Again, put the arrows. A by minus 2 into 50 is minus 30. Minus 7 into 5 is 35. B by 5 into 8 is 40. Minus 105. Minus 1 by 4, 7 sevens are 49. Minus 16. Minus 16. So it is A by minus 65. 40 minus 105 is again minus 65. Minus 1. This 49 minus plus it will become 65. Minus 1 by 65. So again A by minus 65 is minus 1 by 65. A is equal to minus 1 by 65 into minus 65 is 1. B by minus 65 is minus 1 by 65. B minus 1 by 65 into minus 65. B is equal to 1. So you are getting A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. What is our A? A is 1 by Y. So 1 by Y is equal to 1. B is 1 by X. 1 by X is equal to 1. Cross multiplication. Y is equal to 1 and X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 and X is equal to 1. That is solution of equation is X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 1.